Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Snowball Runaway. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. So for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, you are going to have to outrun the snowball that is trying to squish you. So you will start in the middle and you'll have to jump to the left. You might have to go back to the middle, you might have to go to the right, or you might take 2 steps to the left or 2 steps to the right, depending on where the snowball is coming. So make sure you stay tuned. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of the Snowball Runaway. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite level and why. And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE Spot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.